Hey guys, Brandon back with Dominant Sports Cards. Really excited to be with you guys today. At the card show last week, I picked up some boxes. I got a Chronicles Blaster Football 2020 and a Select Mega. They both have 40 cards in them. I never break anything because I'm always awful. I have the worst luck. Although my friend Kai did break a Select Mega on our way back home. He hit a Joe Burrow White Select. So it just made me even think even more that the Select box is going to have nothing for me. But let's go ahead and get into the cards. Yep, so here are the boxes. I'm going to be sleeving these up. I'm going to try these new Beckett sleeves with Beckett Shield. Try those out. And then I had some rookie card top loaders if you pull any good rookies. And then just some basic top loaders from Walmart. Let's go ahead and do Chronicles first.
I don't know why I said things up.
New look. This is where you get the Prism Black cards and the clearly done Russ from. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs. Must be about 5 cards a pack. Let's go ahead and get into this. This is so exciting. I haven't opened cards in a really long time, so excited to actually get the chance to do it. Saquon Chronicles, Emmitt Smith Chronicles, Michael Pirine. That's cool. Clearly Anthony McFarland, rated rookie. And a Brandon Ayuk. I think that's the Prestige. Those Prestige almost feel like canvas. But like not really, it's like a different card set. Second pack. Christian McCaffrey Chronicles. Got this is the Prestige. DeAndre Swift Prestige. Julio Jones. Already an antiquated card. Crazy. J.K. Dobbins rookie. Clear Vision. I pulled a lot of Cold Komet. The P. I guess it's just P for Panini. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Terry. That's pretty cool. Cam Akers Chronicles. Zach Moss. A lot of rookies in here. What's that? Jalen Reagor. Diagon. It's different. Diagon rookie. 2020 rookie. We have Tyler Johnson. Cool. A lot of rookies in here. No quarterbacks yet. We'll see if we get any. My luck. You know, guys, I'm just horrible at ripping. I just saw a silver Panini Prism Black, and I really hope it's the person I think it is. Okay. Peyton Manning. Another Cole. Okay, I'll put that one last. It's a rookie. Oh, all right. Denzel Mims. Tyreek Hill. Yes. Oh, look at that. And that's like super well centered too. Oh, that's awesome. That is going to be a PC card for sure. Love Justin Jefferson. It looks really centered too, which I know these were having issues with that. I'm shaking a little bit, having a hard time getting in there. That looks so good. Oh man. Check that out, guys. That is pretty well centered. Be a little off, but one of the better ones I've seen. That's super cool. All right. I'm good with that. I'm really good with that. That's awesome. Panini Prism Black. Silver of Justin Jefferson. Works for me. All right, first QB. Little Tua. George Kittle. Another J.K. Dobbins. Got a clearly Brandon Ayuk. Cam Akers. gonna sleeve up. I love the clearly, so keep good care of those. It's pretty well centered. Thought the bottom looks good. A little thinner on the right, maybe by a little bit. Still pretty well centered there. Cool. Got a lot of Tua coming back from PSA. Hopefully he has a good year, especially in that division. Yeah, just gotta worry about the Bills. All right, 3 more packs of Chronicles. All right, DeAndre Hopkins, T. Higgins, cool Tom Brady, Darnell Mooney. Let's leave that one up. I'm a fan of his. I think he's an up-and-comer. Jeff Okudah. 2 more packs here. Another Brandon Ayuk. James Robinson. Brian Edwards. Another T. Higgins. Brandon Ayuk. Those last pack here. Jerry Jeudy, Zach Moss, another Barry Sanders. No, I think I had somebody else. I got Evan Smith before. J.K. Dobbins and a Jalen Hurts. Only 2 quarterbacks, not bad though. I love that luminance. Luminance are awesome. All right, we got all those sleeved up. I'm gonna go ahead and hop to Select Box. These selects, like megas, are just full with these die cuts. So hard to get good grades on die cuts just because there's so many more corners and edges tend to have an issue. They don't really sit well in the sleeve. I'm not too mad about that Chronicles box. It's a lot better than actually I expected it to be. I was hoping for more QBs. Let's see. Should be 10 packs. 4 cards each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right off the bat, Aaron Rodgers. Brian Edwards. T. Higgins. Ezekiel Elliott. I will be sleeving all the rookies from the Select Up just because it's just, I don't know, a better product. Sells a little easier. Yes. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Love the LSU people. Oh, here we go. These are the purple die cuts that you get these boxes. Little Tua. Can't wait to sleeve that one. That one's got to happen now. Yeah, so that's awesome. I'm so glad we pulled one of those. Love Tua, like I said earlier. Second Tua we pulled today. The die cut's just a hard time sitting top loader. You want to make sure nothing's touching the edges if possible. Really cool card there. Joe Montana, Unbreakable Parallel, and Cam Akers. Daryl Taylor in his college uniform. It's a rookie, Brandon. Come on. Little Peyton Manning die cut. That's pretty cool. Ooh, first white, Michael Pittman White. We got a DeAndre Swift. It's a super cool die cut right there. These aren't numbered, I believe. Yeah. Field level. Best level you can get. Select. Awesome. I'm just so glad to be opening packs again. I will say, I think I overpaid a little bit for the Select box. I think the Chronicles Blaster I did all right with. But the Select box was going around 80. I think I paid $10, $12 more than that. James Conner. Ishka Chenault. Hot start, Aaron Donald. And then Sean Watson. The centering. This is the problem with these. Look at the centering on this card. Look how off it is. It's like double thick on this side compared to the other side. So definitely wouldn't send that in to get graded at all. Just really off center. Gabriel Davis. Jason Witten in his Raiders uniform. Oh my Lord. What? That's awesome. Let's get this other card out of the way. Dalton Keene. Man, a little off center. Has some dimple issues. But man, a super cool card. That is a club level silver Tom Brady. I'm gonna that up as well. Tom Brady luck today. Nice. Club level silver. I'll take it. Oh, that was a bad rip. Oh, man. Odell Beckham. Another Brandon Ayuk. This one's pretty centered. Let's leave that one. Jalen Hurts and Chase Claypool. A lot of Brandon Ayuk today. Really centered one there. Let's leave that one. We got 4 more packs left, including this one. Got KJ Hamler. Another Brian Edwards. Cole Kmet. As you know, I pull Cole. Adam Thielen. Still no Burrow, Abear, just Tua. Little Jalen. Got some Jalen. Dak Prescott. Baker Mayfield. A white die cut of Henry Ruggs Jr. Just leave that. It's a little off center. Put it in the sleeve, show you guys. It's yeah, a little thin right there. Hard with these die cuts. Still a really cool card though. I will say breaking is obviously an art. There's just so much going on. You have to be really good with your hands and under pressure. You know, it's crazy. All right, DeAndre Swift. Jameis Winston die cut. Cool. I'm a Saints fan, so I have a feeling that eventually Taysom will beat him out, but hey, he might hold on. He might do a wonderful job. We will see. Unbreakable. Jerome Bettis. Cam Edwards. Last pack. See if we get some last pack magic here. Just want to say Kai pulled a Drew, a Justin Abear. He pulled Joe Burrow and a bunch of Jordan Love, and all I've got is some Tom Brady, you know. All right, Drew Lock, another Darrell Taylor, and another Tom Brady. Jesus, this is the Tom Brady pack. This one actually looks it's a little better considering. And a Chase Young field level. Cool. Man, that's crazy. All right, let's go through and review here, guys. So, this is a premier level silver of Tom Brady. Got a white die cut Henry Ruggs, a purple die cut. Jeez, purple die cut Brandon Ayuk. Another. This is the club level silver of Tom Brady. A white die cut Michael Pittman. Really nice card. Purple die cut Tua. Really well centered too. Very surprised with that. Another Tom Brady. Some Darnell Mooney, clear vision. Cool card. Probably not worth much at all. Jalen Hurts Chronicles. Luminance. Tua Chronicles. Brandon Ayuk. Clearly. My favorite card, this whole bunch, I'm really excited about this, is that Justin Jefferson. Then first card we pulled was an Anthony McFarland, but that is just sweet. But guys, just remember, buy what you love. I'm really glad I get to share the support for the channel has been awesome. I'm really glad we got to do a break. Let's do some giveaways. So I'll go ahead and give away the Chase Young. I'll give away Cam Akers. I'll give away a Bryan Edwards die cut. You know what? Just let me know what you want, what rookies you want, and we'll give away 4 from this video. Laviska Shenault. Let me know what was your favorite. There's another Cam Akers. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Bryan Edwards. And then we have a bunch in there. Just let me know what your favorite rookie is, and we'll give away a bunch of these cards from the video. So, remember guys, buy what you love. Comment below. Clear eyes, full hearts can't lose. I'll talk to you next time. Bye guys.